Hello, my name is Paul Burnell. I'm a field service technician with Night Office Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change toner on color and black and white mid-volume Lanier products. Please note that these instructions also apply to Ricoh and Savin models. On this particular black and white model, the toner is located behind the front cover in the middle of the machine. The cartridge should slide directly out of place in the machine when pulled. The bottle is self-sealing and the new bottle will come with a black cap on it. Leave the black cap on, then shake the bottle 2 or 3 times, then remove the cap, replace the new toner in the machine, and close the panel. After that, the machine will go through a cycle to add toner and then it'll be ready to go. You can dispose of the empty or set it aside and a technician will pick up on the next service call. On the color device, you again open the middle panel or the front of the machine to find where the toner is stored. Just like the black and white model, each bottle can slide out and the new bottle will come with a cap on it. Again, keep the cap on and tilt the bottle back and forth a few times. Then install the new toner until you hear a click. Close the front panel, wait for the cycle and add toner to finish, and then the copier will be ready to go. As on other models, you can dispose of the empty bottles or set them aside and a technician will pick up on the next service call. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you found it helpful and that you'll come back whenever you have routine maintenance questions. If you have an issue that isn't covered in one of our videos, please feel free to give us a call and one of Knight's experienced technicians will help get you back up and running in no time at all.